Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today I'm going to be making 4-ingredient sticky chicken in a crock pot. For that I'm going to need about 4 chicken legs and 2 to 3 chicken breasts. Or you could just do 8 legs. Need about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Half a cup of soy sauce. And a half a cup of honey. And once you mix those 3 ingredients together thoroughly, pour it over the chicken evenly. And this will go on low for the next 6 to 7 hours. And after all day cooking, they will look a lot like this. Pretty much fall off the bone, kind of tender. Alright, I've took some out. Let it reach room temperature. We'll go ahead and try it on out. Well, gotta say, it's a really good, sweet, sticky little main dish. Can see this going well with some other oriental stuff. Maybe just with some sides. It's good and easy to make. I didn't have to look at it all day. It was great. So yeah, you know the drill. If you like what you saw, don't like what you saw, have some thoughts, leave me a like, leave me a comment. I'll be back in the next one.